Alright, y'all, we back with another video, man. We here at Best Buy, every YouTuber's favorite place to be at. So we're finna go in here, upgrade, and get off of this phone we've been recording on this whole time. The journey has been nice, it's been cool, and nothing wrong with recording on the phone, but I want to get this quality video for y'all. So I'm finna trade in this old ass Canon Rebel I've been using. And we finna go in here and just upgrade to something different. Probably get a OSMO or whatever. Trade in, who are they you talk to? Right over there? Customer service. Copyright music playing anyway, so I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so we got that done, man. So I'm finna go see if they got this camera. You stop. Let's see what's going on. Hey, I'll let you know. About what? Trying to find a pocket 3, but I think I always got to start.
I can check and see if we got it in.
Alright, let's do it. Yeah, pocket 3. I got some.
We're gonna get you taken care of.
Yeah. Yo, man. We just ordered the pocket 3, bro. Yeah, that's it. Nah, let me see it. Make sure. Yeah, 'cause I got 2 channels. That's it right there. Appreciate it, bro.
Come on, man.
Talking about this. I bet. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We just ordered the Pocket 3, man. So, yeah, we're going to be bringing some more content. Better upgrades and stuff like that. But, yeah, so we got the Pocket 3 coming on the way. Content finna go crazy. I got some videos I'm finna edit tonight and throw up probably tomorrow for y'all, so y'all stay tuned for the videos. If you ain't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to your boy Chevy Shouty. Also go to my second channel, more Chevy Shouty, get them reactions and stuff. I still ain't decided on what type of reaction I'm finna be doing, but y'all can, in the meantime, between time, go over there and subscribe and stay tuned for the video, cause they coming for sure. Alright, y'all, it's a few days later and we finally got our camera in, so I'm finna do an unboxing for y'all real quick so y'all can see exactly what this thing looked like. It came pretty fast, it didn't really take that long to get here. So we made it just before the hurricane storms. It's a big box for a little box. So yeah, we got the DJI OSMO Pocket 3, the creator combo. So this comes with like the extra battery pack in here. It comes with a mic. What else we got in here? A few other things. It's got a wide angle lens on here. And yeah, battery handle. I'm gonna crack it open real quick. You see what it's looking like. So yeah, I'm gonna probably put a link in the description to where y'all can go buy one from. And y'all can buy one directly from this video. So if you wanna get one, if you trying to start your YouTube channel or you just tired of recording off your phone like I was, and you wanna upgrade to a camera that's like real good quality and it's not a lot of money, not gonna cost you a whole lot. So this was the perfect buy. It's like they start at $500. So they give you a Pocket 3 guide. Look like it's a light cut app that you can download on your phone. It's a video editing app from DJI. Another creator combo instruction manual. And then you get these DJI stickers, which I'm probably not gonna use. And they put it in a nice sealed up clear bag for you. Oh yeah, look at that. Product branding. So they give you a travel pouch bag with the DJI logo on there. It's got the DJI tag on here. Let's see what it's talking about. Some more stuff that's written in different languages. Don't see English on here. It's crazy. But okay. All right. The bag is nice though.
Nice black bag. Alright. So y'all have never seen it, which I'm pretty sure y'all have because this camera been out for a while. So this is what the camera actually looks like. It's this big, like literally. It's the size of my palm, smaller even, right? So this is real small. It's gonna do the trick. It'll fit in your pocket, real indiscreet. Here go the mic. The mic is real small too. So I think there's a magnet that you can clip on here too. So you can put it like on the inside of your shirt if you don't want it just hanging out. 9 times out of 10, anytime you see somebody like this, that's what that is. It's a microphone. DJI mic. What else in here? Oh, they got the little boom mic, the thing to go over your mic to keep the wind noise down. There is a USB-C cord in here. What's this? I think this is the battery handle they was talking about. Okay, this is this is that thing that you connect. So this is the extender that you connect to it at the bottom of the battery stand, or the extended battery, which turn into a stand. So you actually get a tripod with it too, a little small one. So you set it wherever you're trying to put it. It goes flat, or you can just set it like this type deal. So yeah, that's pretty handy. That come in handy too. Definitely can use that. And if y'all didn't know about this camera, the reason why it's better than a Pocket 2 is this one has object tracking on here. So if you go in the camera settings, you can set it to track you, and you can move all around the room and this camera will follow you without you having to touch a button. Alright, yeah. So this is the extended battery pack right here. This is what's gonna screw in to the bottom of your mounts. Like if you got a suction cup mount, you're trying to get some different footage you want to put on the tall stand, you take this, put it at the bottom, and then boom. Make sure it click in now, yeah. And then you'll screw this part into whatever stand you got. Yep, that's hard. See, when mounting, insert the handle into the OSMO Pocket 3 without holding the release button. Yeah, this is hard. This is hard. So, I'll probably end up going somewhere tonight, so I gotta make sure it's charged up for the day, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like, cause I didn't have the box for a couple of days. I just ain't opened it up yet, so I was saving it for y'all. Other than that, I would have been opened it up and had it charged, but I was trying to share the moment with y'all. So that's what a Pocket 3 looked like. What's in here? This probably laid down. Something in here. Oh, this that protective case that you can put around the pocket in case you drop it or something. But that's one thing you don't want to do with these. I done heard, seen a lot of people that drop theirs and then from there on it don't act right. So if you buy one, and you know you clumsy, I would suggest putting a protection plan on here, because you definitely don't want to drop this, because it's not going to act right after that. So y'all better make sure you get your stuff in order. That's it for the video, y'all. I'm going to tap back in with y'all on the next video. So if you ain't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Like and leave a comment down below. Here go the extra wide. It's a wide angle lens that they come with. It's real small. If you didn't pay attention, you'll overlook it. So it's tucked in a small pocket over here. Don't need that. Yep. But that's it, y'all. So y'all holler at me in the next video. Here go another one. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the magnet for the back of the for the mic. It look like. Let me see. Yeah, I heard that shit strong as fuck. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere once you slap that on. I think that's it. That's all the other stuff I see in here. So that wide angle lens and the battery is tucked into a small pocket. So you gotta look for them. Make sure you don't overlook them. Yeah, that's it, man. Like I said before, y'all make sure y'all leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you already done so. I catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.